according to, act,
admirable,
advertising agency, advertising campaign, alive,
architect,
audience, award, be encouraged, bestseller,
best-selling, bodily kinesthetic,
body painting, book tickets, bother, box office, breathtaking, bring to life, canvas, career, carry on, cast,
character,
clap, combination,
complicated,
composer,
costume, creation,
creativity,
creature,
critic,
criticize,
deserve,
design,
digital photography,
direct, doubt, drawing, dress up, eagle, endangered species, environmental organization, episode,
exceptional,
exhibit, facial expression,
fan,
fingernail, fond, fond of, fur,
future teacher,
handheld gadget,
hands-on activity, highly respected,
hit, hyperrealist movement, ice sculpting, inspire, intelligence,
interpersonal,
interval,
intrapersonal,
jewelry making,
juggler,
knitting, lead role,
linguistic,
living statue,
logical mathematical,
magic trick,
mainly, masterpiece, measure, mime artist,
move,
movement,
multiple,
musical,
must see, nation,
naturalist,
oil painting,
opera singer,
opportunity, outline, painting watercolors,
particularly,
performance, plotline, portrait,
pottery,
present, process, promote,
proud,
public awareness, raise, raise public awareness,
real,
realistic, regret, rehearsal,
religious,
remarkable, remind, research, review, save,
scale,
science fiction, sculpt, sculpture, season, series, shower away,
skillful,
soap opera,
spatial,
special effects, spectacular, stage, stand-up comedian, stay still, still, street magician, stroke, stunt, surgeon, surprisingly, swing, talented,
tell jokes, theory,
thumb,
traditional view,
transfer,
trapeze artist,
true,
true to life,
update,
vital, wisdom, wood carving, worldwide,